When you have a dry relationship your vagina with the hair dryer, the reason is effective, know it. In brief moments a written explanation. The intimate area of the woman is one of the most delicate of her entire body, so you should take good care of her. However, it is not enough to simply have a good personal hygiene, but it is necessary to do more. As we know, the intimate area of the woman is prone to get infections for different reasons. Therefore, we will tell you a method that, although strange, is very useful to prevent many infections. After maintaining relationships with our partner, it is normal for certain bacteria to remain in the intimate area. One of the most famous is the one that causes the fungus of candidiasis. Although not in all relationships will end up suffering from it, but if you increase the chances of contracting it. Hence many gynecologists recommend drying that area with a hair dryer then having intercourse. The author of this counsel is the famous American gynecologist Alyssa Dweck. She explains her reasons in the book The Complete A to Z for Your V, in Spanish From A to Z for Your V. Similarly, therapist Beatrice Wagner adds the following: the intimate area is humid and hot. This is the perfect environment to accommodate and reproduce many bacteria in it. But this does not mean that with each relationship you end up infected, as the immune system fights them. However, when it is prone to get thrush, it can be prevented by using a dryer. Other details about this method is that, the woman should wash with abundant water the intimate area. Then we will use the dryer with cold air to dry the area. Another option would be to use a soft and clean towel. However, we must be careful not to dry the vagina too much, as we can alter its balance. Remember that your interior must remain a bit damp to keep it healthy. What is candidiasis? But what are these fungi or candidiasis? It is a fungus that is usually a common condition among women. They get to suffer it at least once during all their life. Some symptoms are itching or intense burning. Those who suffer from it usually secrete a somewhat yellowish fluid resembling ricotta or cottage cheese. This infection is caused by the fungus of the diastasis. Another factor that negatively influences the spread of candidiasis is hormonal change. Metabolic disorders, the weak immune system and birth control pills also promote it. In fact, even excessive hygiene, the use of special showers or tight or synthetic lingerie can affect. If you tend to suffer from this disease constantly, it is best to visit a gynecologist. They can prescribe very effective drugs to combat this type of infections. Best of all is that most have no side effects. However, you should not forget that personal care will also influence the results. As we have explained before, after the relationships is very likely to get infections. That's why we encourage you to dry your intimate area with a dryer to reduce the risk of suffering one. It does not matter if you have used condoms on the spot, it is better to be safe than sorry. If you get an infection, do not hesitate to consult your doctor as soon as possible. If this information was useful, share it in your social networks. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.